block, slap, cut. Here we turn all the way to here. Block, slap, cut, turn, block, slap, cut, and finish. And with a little more punch. 1, 2, 3. Then place the hands so the fingers are on the inside and the knee on the outside. Straighten your arms, so come up a little to here. 5, 6, 7. The next one, I'm going to place the 2 hands on the back with the palms facing onto the body, the back of the pointing of the fingers down towards the ground. Here. This point, 1, 2, and step back. Now what I want us to focus on today is using the head, or particularly the eyes. So as you go from here to here and back to here, the first thing that turns is the head. I'll show you what I mean. We step and kick, turn the head, turn the head. So step, lift the right, turn, turn, step back, and rest. The movements were to come back here, turn the body, block, slap, cut. You're looking straight in the front. We're going to step back with this right leg and turn on the ball of the left. So step back and turn. This position here. Stepping back, turn. Block, slap, cut. Turn and look. Block, slap, cut. Turn, look. Yes, and turn. Look first, then block, step and slap, cut. Look first, block, slap, cut. Slowly, stepping back, turn. Block, slap, cut, turn. Block, slap, cut. Here we turn all the way to here. Block, slap, cut, turn, block, slap, cut, and finish. And rest the eyes and drop the head slightly on the left side. And as before, try to stay very much aware of all the sounds around you, the sensations on the skin, whether that's from the wind, whether that's from the ground pressure, whether that's from your sweat. So stay in the external world for now. If you're still feeling a bit overstimulated at this point, just let the exhalation be longer. You should calm the body down. And then, finishing there. Excellent, very good. Thank you, Chatai. Good. So today we went through the lohars with a little bit more dynamism again. We started doing each one first slowly and then quickly. We added 2 new lohars, the punching through the arm and the turning, reaching towards the face. We progressed our TIRUKKAL, turning kick, by adding the rotation or flicking of the head. This is really a key point for this exercise. It makes it a lot easier if you can get that. And then we looked at the first empty hands form from Southern style, which is called Tekkan, Southern style. So, I hope you're starting to put the pieces together and enjoying the new techniques that we're looking at. Pleasure to have you here. Until next time, from me, Nale Kanam.